our goal is to take this smokestack out and put a replacement in. These are a little brighter blue, but it's better to have a little brighter blue than none at all. And we bought a pair so they match. Now, if you look underneath, this one looks like it's been abused a little harder with a heat gun. But you can't hardly see it in the video, but there's little pin dots in here where it looks like they heated it up and spread it. It's real hard to see. But we're going to take the Dremel, and I have a very small metal cutting bit, plastic grinding bit. We're going to grind this out a little bit. I don't want to take too much out, but we're going to grind it out to see if we can get this to loosen from the hole. I think we're going to switch to a stone. Because I want to try to stay centered and just take out the middle. We've got part of it out. And there we go.
Looks good.
We've got it. There's a finished hole. We picked out all the little pieces. And the new one actually presses and still fits in there right. Like I said, it's a little brighter blue. So we're going to go ahead and do the other one and make them both the same color, but you'll have two smokestacks. We're going to try the stone. I think that works a little better.
Sure is quicker.
Still don't have any movement yet.
Okay.
All right. Ooh, we're moving. Okay, we've got the top off. We got to clean a little of this out of the center. And I'm real leery about doing it.
Yeah, you got to be real careful if you use the stone, don't you?
Because we only need the side down here to come out. The stone is definitely the way to go.
Yeah, that took it out way faster than the other.
Picking with my fingernail. Now they've still got a little spot right there. And I've got a little half round file. Just going to touch him up in a couple places there. And it fits in there nice and tight. Both of them do. Now, we have successfully removed both stacks. Like I said, they fit in there nice and tight. I will glue these, but we're going to look at maybe painting them because they are a little lighter blue. And maybe do a little touch up. I don't know if we're going to touch that up or not, but we definitely would like to make these a darker blue. So we're going to leave them to where I can remove them, but they won't fall out. They actually snap in there. And that looks much better than a broken smokestack to begin with.
It sure does.
So
It'd be great if we can make them match a little more, but yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much.